Hi guys, welcome back to the Detail Garage. So today we have a GMC Sierra. Now I was applying Instawax earlier and I got a little bit careless and it got on the door handle and across the trim over here. So as you can see, it hazed up pretty quickly and it turned white. Now I've tried a test spot with our new trim clean. This is able to be used on plastic, rubber, trims, and tires. Now this test spot right here, as you can see, you can tell the difference is much darker than the white haze. Now you may be wondering, why can't I just use water? Well, let's test it out. Now I have my deionized water here and my microfiber towel. So I'm just gonna apply some couple sprays. Now check this out. As you can see, it didn't even work that well initially, and in just a couple seconds later, it returned back to the white haze. So now with our trim clean, we're gonna, just a couple sprays, and the same thing, but in the same spot, but you'll notice the difference. Damn, as you can see, this thing did a marvelous job. I'm not gonna get fired today. So, what Trim Clean could do for you is clean rubber, tires, plastic, and trim, and water is just gonna not do anything. So I'm gonna finish the rest of the mistake that I made. But if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys next time, right here at the Detail Garage.